Hi guys, today I will show you, I observed there is abnormal noise from my Mitsubishi Pajero. There is a noise in the engine. I don't know. I suspected that the noise from the idle pulley. It is there. You see that from here, and if you can see, we will start. I will start the engine. See the noise. So you see that noise from there. So I will try to replace that idle pulley. Okay, I will stop the engine. Okay, so first we will remove this suction air duct, 10 millimeter. My car is very dirty, I just came from vacation, so when I come back from Philippines, it's very dirty. But first we'll rectify the noise from the idle pulley. I don't know if if the noise come from idle pulley. So first we'll remove this suction duct. Okay. So I noticed that this is the problem. So okay, so I'll try to remove this one, and we will see. By the way, I got the spare. I get the new pulley from Mitsubishi. See, so okay, we'll see. So this is, if you rotate this one, it's very smooth and there's no sounds. And we will see after remove this old idle pulley. First we'll lose the belt. Okay. We'll yeah, you have to lose the belt. Is there? Yeah. Yep. You see the sounds? Okay, maybe I don't know, but maybe this one. Okay, we'll remove. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is the old pulley. Seems to be okay, I don't know, but I already got so new one, so we'll try to replace it. Okay. guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Okay, now we have to install back the fan belt. Yeah. Okay. I think it's okay now. We will try to run again. We'll start the engine. Okay, we'll start the engine. The sounds is disappeared, so I think this we solved the problem. So just only this idle pulley replaced.